Hey Rainicorns, it's Ellie. This is gonna be like somewhat of a life update type of thing. I'm actually doing laundry right now, so that's why my bed's messy. But I got like new bedding, I got new curtains and stuff. So whenever you guys see this, my life is a little bit different now. But in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys like a few new things. So I did get 3 new tripods. My other small one had broken, so I just got 3 more that look pretty much the same. I'm not tripping over it. I just got them from Wish. They're like $1, $2 or whatever. So they just look like that. I'm gonna go ahead and put it together. And I'm also doing an unboxing of some mail I just got. So if you've been following me on Instagram, you know that I've been investing in silver. A few other things like Bitcoin and stuff, but I just sold my Bitcoin. But my main content has been about silver. I'm going to be talking about gold. I might have, like, this might be the gold. I don't know. But, man, you know what? I don't even know what this one is because it's a box. There's 2 boxes. I didn't expect to get 2 boxes. I might have ordered something interesting. But anyway, this is the exact same as my other one. I got 2 other ones that are black. But the one I'm going to use in the house is blue colored. So, let me see how this will look. Okay, I think that's okay. For like future videos or whatever. I'm probably not gonna be doing that right now. I'll probably just like have it over here, so you can see like the back of my bed. But I like how this looks for the most part. It's a good angle. I'll just probably like angle it down for a better positioning of camera. Yeah, there we go. I'll definitely need my microphone though, because it's like all the way on the other side of the room. So, what did I get? Well, actually, I've gotten a lot of things recently. So, one of them is my microphone. I'm going to be making music soon. And I'm not hoping to. I am releasing music this year. This is what my microphone looks like. Now the thing is, I might need to get a soundboard or something because it didn't work on my laptop. So I don't think this is broken. It's a pretty good weight and everything. So I don't think this is broken. I don't think it's my laptop. I just think that my laptop isn't built for this type of microphone. So that's all that is. MJ, what you do? You're so silly, man. Oh. Okay, so excuse me. We'll move back, boy. On my others, on my Thims, boy. I've been hanging out virtually with people all over the country, and it's been really interesting. Catching the lingo. Really, I've become more in tune with my Memphis self by talking to other people. Stop. Okay, so this one. What is this? This one is the 1st Marine Division.
Look like it's bubbles.
Yeah, those are bubbles. There are 5,000 of these worldwide.
Then open it.
This is the certificate of authenticity. You get these with like more so rare coins, but this is the 1st Marine Division, the old breed. This has gold around it, but it's a silver coin.
One.
Official commemorative challenge coin, United States Marine Corps. The Marine Corps has a lot of different coins. I have, I think, 3 of them currently. MJ, you're so silly, bro. Now, if you guys have been following me on Instagram, I have made it known that me and my friend Jay, he makes music. He already has like a bunch of music already produced and everything. But we're having a contest. We're trying to, we're not trying. We're growing our Instagrams and our YouTube channels to 1,000. I think he already has 1,000 followers, but we're trying to get both of our YouTube channels to 1,000 subscribers. So make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and his channel. We'll be giving away. I'm still giving away those 2 iPhone phone cases. I'm not sure if I made that announcement officially yet. I'm still giving away those 2 iPhone phone cases, and we're giving away 2 silver coins. So make sure you subscribe to JBoogie FI, and you subscribe to Real Talk with Ellie. This might be going on Instagram and on YouTube. It just depends on how I feel, I guess. Bro, you don't stop it. I just got one of these boxes the other day. I didn't think I ordered 2 of them, so we'll see. And just put this other coin just in the box. Is this another Archangel? This is the Archangel. This is another Saint Michael Archangel. I didn't think I ordered another one of these. Like, the company I use, I'm not gonna talk about them. I had given them a shout out at one point, but I don't really like how their financing and everything is. Does it have the jewel in there? It's supposed to have the jewel. Hold on. What jewel is this opal? It looks like opal. Hold on. The metal super plate. Stop. Yeah, because that's definitely... Oh, it's great. Gabriel. I did not order this. That's why, like, I'm not going to recommend their company because, like, I've been getting a lot of... Hold on. I'll get your water. Can you ask Tyra for some water? I've been getting, like, a lot of misorders. Sometimes I get extra silver. Sometimes I get extra charge. And it's, like, it was pretty aggravating. So, I'm not going to be using their company anymore to, purchase any silver or anything. I'm just gonna be using my gold dealer. They sell primarily gold. I'm gonna see how they work out for the time being, and order some silver from them eventually. What happened? Was she busy? Okay, well, if she's busy, you gotta wait a few minutes, okay?
No.
Well, you gotta wait a few minutes. Yeah. So, this is Saint Michael. The Archangel. This looks similar to the Saint Michael Archangel coin. It's the angel is plated in gold, and on the back is engraved with Queen Elizabeth II. This is from 2015. So this also comes with the certificate of... Oh, this is their certificate of ownership. What'd you say?
I say.
But yes, this is the crystal opal, and his heavenly role, Saint Gabriel is revelation. So I have now Michael, who's the guardian, and Gabriel. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep these or if these are gonna be part of the giveaway. It just really depends, because I actually do like these, but I don't know. Anyway. Certificate of authenticity. Okay, so this says Saint Michael the Guardian, but this is Gabriel. So I don't know. Yeah, so like I said, I'm not going to be using this company anymore, most likely. I think they need to get their stuff together. But it's still like real silver. Like, I don't doubt the stop it. I don't doubt how real it is. It's just, I don't like how their operations are. That's the first error I've seen as far as the certificate being incorrect. And this is just a case to hold your coins in. I got one specifically for Thomas Edison and his collection of coins.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Anyway, MJ.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
It looks
13,
nice though.
14.
I like the way it looks.
15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 30. Great job.
Good job, NJ. You counted very well.
Counted very well.
Very well. Does this fit in here? Yeah, you have to. Oh, okay.
Go
Yeah.
ahead and put that in there.
Fix like that.
Go ahead and that in there.
Mm-hmm. Now, I think this one's too big to fit in here.
Put it in there too. Put one and
Yeah. This was too big to fit in here. So, the Archangel coins, the presidential coins, and some other ones will be able to fit in here. But not the Marine Corps coins. Those do not fit in these little, this case in particular. Well, yeah, that's what I got in the mail. That's my little life update. Don't touch this. That's my little life update. Oh no. Let me get this out of here before it gets stuck. Yeah, I redecorated my room. At least my part of the room and whatnot. Been in, like you guys, you really need to start investing in silver. The value of everything is already going up, and so it would be really smart to go ahead, start investing in silver. When I started, it was like $20-something to get a silver coin. Now it's going to be roughly like $30, possibly $40 to get a basic silver bullion coin. A lot of mine have like gold encrustings, plating, like the outlining and stuff like that has a lot of gold on it. So those are a little more expensive. This one does have an opal crystal on it, so you know those are a little more expensive. Like I said, I didn't order this, but it came in the mail, so I'm gonna keep it. I'm not dumb. Nah, who you thought you were playing with? But anyway. Plus I got overcharged anyway for some other stuff. But regardless though, they gave me a rebate check for being a member, but I canceled my membership, so I'm just gonna cash that check and not use them again. So yeah. I do like having it. Move, dude, come on, you know what you're doing. Move over there. Take the airplane over here. I do enjoy having a silver collection though. It's like is protecting, but I no longer have a cash savings because I went ahead and like used that for emergency purposes, but I will be making more money, so it's not like I don't have any more savings, so I'm not gonna have any more money. No, I'm definitely making more money to just have for savings, but you know, buying things like a generator, heat freezer, like a non-electric grill, stuff like that for like survival purposes. I felt like it was more important for me to go ahead and, you know, help my family spend money on that rather than just keep cash on me when, you know, cash is going to be useless sometime soon. We're all going to need some of these, so make sure you guys buy some silver, buy some gold. I have some gold being delivered probably tomorrow. Not probably tomorrow. That's when they're estimating my delivery will be by the end of the day tomorrow. So I'll film another video at that time. That'll probably be on the IGTV. I'm not sure. So we'll just see at that point. But I don't like how this is messed up. But I'm not getting rid of it because I'm not dumb. So yeah. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you guys' support and everything. Make sure you subscribe to enter into the contest to win one of these silver coins. Let me see. You follow me on Instagram, same as my channel name, RealTalkkWithEli. You follow JBoogieFI on Instagram, and it's the same YouTube channel name. They listen to his music. We're both local Memphis artists. My music isn't produced yet, but he has, I think, 2 albums. Tons of songs for you to listen to, a few singles and stuff like that. He makes R&B and rap music, so make sure you guys check him out. Make sure you subscribe. Give his music some likes. Leave some, especially leave feedback. He loves feedback, honest feedback about his music, how you feel about it, different things like that. I'll be doing the same. So yeah, I'll have some music out for you guys this year. Now I'm really excited. I know 2020 has been just, I don't know what to say. It's been very, very interesting for everybody, and you know, that's the reason I make, you know, the videos I make. trying to help you guys out. I'll be making some real estate videos sometime soon, talking about the 6-figure bird dog system for wholesalers, mastermind group, and the book. Well, it's a guide currently, and I will be converting it into a book after doing the 3-year case study with everyone in the mastermind. So, you know, we're going, man. We're going, and I really, God bless all of you. I hope the best for everyone and all your endeavors, everything you're going through. I just hope that God touches you and blesses you in a very, very special way. And I hope you're one of the ones who win silver. I'll be doing more giveaways and stuff like that soon. I know I had a $100 contest for my 100 subscriber video, but I don't think anyone entered that one, so I'll probably be redoing that one once I hit 1,000 subscribers too. I say you gotta wait a minute. I'm almost done. I'm saying bye to the rainicorns. You want to say bye, rainicorns?
Bye, unicorns.
Okay. Bye, rainicorns. I'll see you in the next one. Can you push the stop button? Push the white button.